Beth Johnson. I'm a chef de cuisine and executive pastry chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make your olives less salty. You know when you buy them in the stores, they're sitting in brine, and brine contains a lot of sodium, a lot of salt. And especially if you're on a salt-free diet, you really want to drain that off. You want to make sure that they are less salty. And we're going to drain the brine off of the olives. Just take it right off. And then what we want to do is, once all the brine is drained, we want to put them in a bowl of water. And you want to change this water, I do, every hour, until once you taste the olive, it no longer tastes salty. By soaking them in water and changing the water every hour, this will work on any type of olive that you have, whether they're salt cured or they're brine cured. This is my version of how to take the salt out of your olives. I'm Mary Beth Johnson, Ci ridiamo dopo.